In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines on Adobe Acrobat. If you're seeing a faint lattice of lines or guide overlays while viewing a PDF in Acrobat, those are visual aids for alignment, not part of the actual document. They won't print, but they can be distracting. Let's clean up your workspace so you see only the content you care about. First, launch Adobe Acrobat. This can be Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. Both use the same viewing controls for grids and guides. Give the app a moment to load so all menus are available. Next, open the PDF you want to work with. You can drag the file into Acrobat or use File, then Open, and choose your document. It's helpful to zoom in and flip through a couple of pages so you can clearly confirm whether the grid or guides are visible before and after we make the change. Now, look for the main menu controls. In most desktop setups, you'll use the menu bar at the top of your screen or the top of the application window. If your interface shows a compact or hamburger-style menu, click that to reveal the full set of options. From there, go to the View section. This is where Acrobat keeps all of its display and interface toggles. You don't need to switch tools or enter editing mode. We're just adjusting what's shown on top of your document. Inside View, head to the Show, Hide menu. This submenu collects items that can be overlaid or hidden, such as toolbars, rulers, and grid-related helpers. You're in the right place when you see options related to rulers and grids, or anything labeled grid or guides. Now you can control what appears on your PDF. To remove the grid, turn off anything labeled grid, and if you still see alignment lines, turn off guides as well. In many versions, this is under View, then Show, Hide, then Rulers and Grids, where you can toggle grid and guides on or off. The moment you uncheck them, the overlay disappears, and your document will display cleanly. Remember, this change affects how Acrobat shows the file. It doesn't alter the PDF's actual content. If the lines don't go away, they may be baked into the PDF itself, for example, scanned forms with printed boxes. In that case, viewing options can't remove them, but for true overlay grids and guides, these toggles do the trick. That's it. You've used Acrobat's view controls to hide grid lines and guides, giving yourself a clear, distraction-free reading and reviewing experience.